Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. Want to move your money from a PaySign to card on Cash App, whether it's a plasma donation, earnings or other funds, getting them into Cash App can be tricky since PaySign does not support direct bank transfers. So firstly, you need to log in the PaySign app or online as well to check your balance. PaySign cards like those for plasma donations are prepaid Visa debit cards and don't allow direct ACH transfers to bank accounts or apps like Cash App. You'll need to use an intermediary like PayPal to move funds, but beware, PaySign charges $1 per transaction, even if it fails. I got hit with a decline fee once. Check your balance first. Open your PayPal app and go to paypal.com. Navigate to Wallet, link a card or bank. Add your PaySign card by entering its number, expiration date, and CVV. PayPal may charge a $1 temporary hold to verify, but PaySign's $1 fee applies. Once linked, transfer your PaySign balance to PayPal by selecting Add Money from your PaySign card. Takes 3 to 5 days. In PayPal, you can go to Transfer Money, transfer to your bank, and select your Cash App linked bank, account, or debit card, and then receive your funds. Monitor transactions in both apps to ensure no declines. And that's pretty much how it's done. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, drop them below. See you next time.